Today we are talking about the clone, share, and transfer features in the Studio. Go to Make Decks inside your Asset Managers. First, we're going to discuss the clone feature. This allows you to make a complete copy of a deck or of a card in the deck. Second, we're going to discuss the share functionality. Not every deck is ready to be published in the store, but if you need to share it with your colleagues and you know their username, you can enter their username and share it direct. This is for small-scale sharing among people who are working together closely. You can share from either Decks in Development or Decks Complete, and when you share, it puts the deck into the library of the person you shared with as if it had been published in the store, including automatic updates. Finally, there's the transfer button. This is when you need to hand a deck off to another editor. You go ahead and enter the username again, just like with Share, and it will transfer the deck, removing it from your Decks in Development and placing it in your colleague's Decks in Development. Clone, share, and transfer are 3 useful tools you have in the Deck Manager. We hope you enjoyed learning about them.